Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Take your seats.
Thank you.
Introduce yourselves.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is P. Anand, ma'am. I am studying in class 9, ma'am, of Takshasila Public School.
Ma'am, I am PVD Shishar of class 9A, studying in Takshasila Public School, ma'am.
Okay. So, how do you come to school every day, Anand?
Ma'am, I have my own transport, ma'am. Auto, ma'am. I come in auto.
Okay. So, how early do you start from home?
I'm 8:15, ma'am. 8:15 auto arrives, ma'am. I get into the auto and come.
Is it comfortable ride for you?
Yes, ma'am. Comfortable.
Every day. Okay. Even in the evening you go?
Yes, ma'am. Evening also auto.
Okay. But don't you prefer cycle or bicycle?
Ma'am, my parents do not allow, ma'am.
Okay. Otherwise you would have
Yes, ma'am.
taken that. You enjoy it. I have seen you once or twice.
Twice.
Using a bicycle, yeah. Because you can go with your friends and classmates, yeah. So what about you, Shashida?
Ma'am, I stay very near to him, just half kilometers, so I come on bicycle.
You take your bicycle and come. Do you enjoy the ride?
Yes, ma'am.
Or is it very, very crowded?
No, I enjoyed
How
because
early do you start here?
I start at 8:20. By 8:30 I reach it.
So you enjoy coming and while going back also you take the same bicycle and
Yes,
go.
ma'am.
Okay. Suppose if something goes wrong with the bicycle at the last minute, what are you going to do? Like the
Ma'am,
tire is punctured or something.
Opposite our school there is a puncture shop and a cycle repair.
So you already spotted it and kept it ready in case. Okay, very good. So you enjoy your ride home, both of you. Let's go to your individual topics, children. What's your topic, Anand?
My topic is about are cell phones used in schools?
Should
be
the mobile phone used in school? Okay, very good.
Ma'am, nowadays mobile phones are used in peaks, ma'am. Every student knows how to operate an Android mobile. So, if the authority of schools allows the mobiles in school, it's very well and good. But there are many disadvantages of mobiles. Many students use mobile internet for communicating in social websites like Facebook or WhatsApp. But school authorities should install an anti software. If students use any social networks like Facebook or WhatsApp, it should be a message for them. Otherwise, they have to use only studying purpose. They have to use for studying purpose.
Do you think you need it in the school?
Yes, ma'am. Why? Because nowadays the weight of the bags are also increasing nowadays. So the parents are. I have saw 3-4 complaints.
Like what do you use it for?
Like for writing an online test, ma'am. There is not to be used papers also, ma'am.
That you can do in the computer room.
But for every student there is no this one availability, no, ma'am. That's why an Android mobile is very
useful. You think that? Okay. What about you? What do you think?
I have a question for Anand.
Yes.
Anand, now if a student brings this Android mobiles and they misuse it in school by using, even if there is an update of this antivirus software, they are well updated and they may uninstall it and they use the social networks. How can you restrict that?
Good question, Cecil. But the students we should also bring an awareness in students that school we have to use it for maximum advantages, not for like this thing like
To waste
time. Many students are coming to school just to pass their time. The parents are working very hard to send them to school, but they are wasting all their parents' hard work.
Okay. Like, see, another thing I can say is in some schools they just leave it in the office. They leave their mobile phones in the office and they use it whenever they want. They go to the office, use it and leave it there. Deposit there rather. Because in case of emergency, they just call and then use the phone as they like it. So there's no question of misuse there, isn't it? If you hand it over to the office or some place like that. One thing is that. Okay, very good. What about your topic?
My topic is the new book I have read.
Yeah.
The new book I have read is Percy Jackson, written by Rick Riordan. He is a well-known writer in Switzerland. He has written more than 1500 novels, ma'am, and it is worldwide published, ma'am. And it's a pentology of adventure, ma'am. There are 5 series which are so interesting, and the first one is a lightning thief, and here Percy Jackson goes to a camp called Camp Half-Blood. It's on hilltop, and they all face few adventures. They to overcome the difficulties in life. They teach how we have to face all difficulties which we come across in
survival.
Yes, ma'am. And then there comes a thief, ma'am, into the school in that camp, and he he threatens a girl that he would kill, and he want all the wealth that present there. And so Percy Jackson would dare to go and save the girl. Here it shows that he is a brave boy here. And the second part is about the Sea of Monsters, ma'am. They travel to other camp in a ferry, ma'am. As they travel, they find a monster with 2 heads, ma'am. So Percy Jackson, along with his friend Zordon, they together try to kill the monster, but they finally take the help of the master, and they 3 together kill the monster and go to the camp.
So you like adventures and heroics. You enjoy reading those books. Very good occupation, interesting one, because it improves your knowledge like anything, isn't it? Reading a book really improves your knowledge. I think we are done with the individual topics. So I think we'll go to the problem solving task now, children. I'll read out the task aloud to you. You have seen a classmate tear pages from books in the library. Although you have spoken to him about this, he denies doing anything wrong. Discuss with your partner what you should both do. You can start. Loudly, please.
Anand, yesterday when we have gone to the library, PSP Pawan had tore the pages of the book Sports Star. I told him not today, but he was telling that it was his favorite cricket player and he wanted to tear it. What do you say about that, Anand?
Not only PSP, see, many of our classes, including Harsh and Ajit, they also tear the pages of the books. One day, when I had asked them why do you do like these things, they answered that tearing a page of book gives them a satisfaction, like they have achieved something.
And they don't think about the wealth of the school, and it's the property of a school. So we have to think in that way also, Anand. What do you say?
I think school authorities should also keep a facility like a perfect librarian with a CC camera TV.
And it's not only about CC camera. The students have to know that they have to get an awareness. We have to bring an awareness in them that they have to not tear the pages of library books.
Yeah, in assembly principal also he had mentioned that specific students are tearing pages from library. The sir had given them warning, but it doesn't matter to them.
How to bring about a change?
Ma'am,
in
actually
the children.
we have to bring an awareness in them, ma'am. That is the main point. And when we have a perfect librarian, it's well and good, ma'am, so that they can
A strict librarian.
and they can manage the library, so that they also see that no one would tear pages from the books, ma'am.
They can collect some fine
Fine.
and ask them to pay the fine, so that they wouldn't be so readily trying to take advantage of the rules, isn't it? Sometimes when nobody is looking, they try to tear, but they might be the sufferers next time. Someone else does that, they won't be able to read the same thing because the page is torn there, isn't
Yeah,
it?
the losers there.
What about you? What do you think?
Ma'am, I think that teachers have to guide them, ma'am. What is good and what is bad.
And create
And
awareness.
create an awareness. But students should also keep an effort to catch their points, ma'am. They are just thinking that casually
They should realize anyway. Otherwise, there's no use. Even you can counsel your friends about not doing such things. If you are responsible, they too might be responsible. Isn't it? Yes. Very good. Thank you, children.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Take your seats.
Thank you.
Please introduce.
Ma'am, my name is Shruti Kashyap and I'm from class 9B. My group is Krishna and my roll number is 35.
Ma'am, my name is Vaibhavan Kalyan. I'm studying 9th standard and my group is Yamna. My roll number is 26.
Now you are in 9th. What is your schedule after you go home? What's your schedule every day?
Ma'am, actually after going home I take some rest for some time and then I start studying. Then I have my dinner and after the dinner I study again and then I go to bed.
Okay, so do you play in the
Ma'am, I play only on the weekends, not every day.
So you're not very hard.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. You, child. What's your schedule like?
Ma'am, after going out, I will refresh myself and get ready for going to tuition. And after 2 hours, I'll go to home and take some rest and have my dinner. And,
You attend tuition classes for all subjects?
yes, ma'am. And I'll learn a little bit and have my go to bed.
So again, early in the morning, what time do you get up?
5.
So you work very hard.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice to know about it. Now, can you please speak about the topic?
Ma'am, my topic is can pocket money help children learn money management? So, whenever it comes to pocket money, every one of us gets happy. But the question is, are we really using this money in a right way? Well, the answer is different for different people. Some people might think that giving pocket money to children would make them dependent on it, while others would think that it would not lead to such a disadvantage. In my view, both the opinions are partially right. The advantage of giving pocket money to children is that they can learn how to manage money and they can also buy their favorite books and snacks. But on the other hand, some children can also misuse this money and they could also ask their demand more money from their parents. So I think that pocket money given in a limited amount could be beneficial for students, and also the parents must guide their children to use it in a right way. And definitely,
What do you do with your pocket money?
ma'am, I just save it, I keep on saving it, and if I have to buy some books or some story books or any kind of thing, then I ask my parents and I use that money.
Use that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very wise, I think. Okay, what's your topic, Chad?
Ma'am, my topic is about climatic changes. Climate means the total sum of weather conditions and variations for a long period of time. The factors which affect these climatic changes are latitude, altitude, and pressure and winds. Altitude, which the temperature decrease from equator to poles as we experience the coolness in the poles. And latitude, altitude, it helps that says that we influence the
What are the changes you found due to the climate change? What are the things that you're facing, problems that you're facing?
normally, like natural disasters would happen, like tsunamis, cyclones, etc. Due to our irresponsibility of taking care of, and we are polluting our surroundings. So it polluting our surroundings, and it leads to our many climatic changes. And
I would like to ask you a question. Are we the people influencing the climate change, and how?
yes, we are influencing the climate change, and due to the rotation of Earth and tilted axis of Earth and pressure variations in land and seas, we are experiencing different climatic changes during the months, and we are responsible for even sudden climatic changes. Even due to the pollution, and we are polluting our surroundings, and we are reducing our ozone layer, which is present in atmosphere due to chlorofluorocarbons, and due to ultraviolet rays, we would experience allergies, etc.
Okay, good. Now I think we'll go to the next topic, children, and that is problem solving. I'll read out your problem.